Hello everyone, this is Rick Darlington. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a test in Openshot. The Openshot is one of the best free video editing software for Windows Mac. You could use it completely for free without seeing any watermark. Also, the Openshot supports the 4K video editing, and you could also export the video to different formats like the MP4, AVI or something else, along with changing the video resolution to up to 4K. So it's very pretty good to use this free video editing software. Anyway, now let's just get to the point. To add a test in Openshot, you need to import a video file firstly. Go to the file and find the import files. Here I just select a video file from my desktop, which is called Hello Sunshine. Now if you do not find the video file, you could just tap on the shovel and find the video file. Now just drag it to the timeline. So this is the timeline of the Openshot. You could just zoom in or zoom out in the timeline, which is very easy. You could also just right click here and to end a track. So it's very easy to use. For example, you could end a track above or below, or just remove the track. Now let's just go to the title and also find a title or animating the title to add a test in Openshot. Here you could find there are lots of the pre-installed titles from the Openshot. Here I just select one of them, and you could give a name and also add the test content, change the font, the color, test the color, as well as the background color. After that, just save it. And if you do not find the added titles, just go to the image. You'll find all of the titles here. Now here I just drag this title to the timeline. So you could say the title appears in the video. Please note, if you move the title to the below the video, you may do not find the title. So you could just move it above the video. Yes. So just find it here. Just check. But here you also find the test is placed in the middle of the video. To change the position of the test, just right click the title and then go to the properties. Here you could just tap the crop and move the crop X to to move the title a little bit right or left, and also you could just move this crop Y to move it to the bottom to the top of the video. So here I just move it a little bit here, and also just move it a little bit right. So that is, you can say it's very simple to add a test in Openshot. If you just hope the test appears for a specific period of time for the video, you could just drag it, and also you could also just right click the title and go to the slice to cut the title, keep the left side or keep the right side. So that is about how to add a test in Openshot. But please note, if you want to change the title, the test size or color, you could just find this title in effect and right click it, and then go to the edit and then edit the titles, change the font, color or something else. So this is the tutorial about how to add a test in Openshot Video Editor. I hope you could just take it a try and make your wonderful videos. Thank you.